The P101 cold pressure welding machine is low maintenance and very easy to operate because of its basic design. This portable, pneumatically powered cold welder, which requires a compressed air supply, is mounted on a specially designed sloping trolley to give the operator a clear view of the weld area. The welding operation is controlled by a foot pedal at the base of the machine. The P101 uses industry-standard dies, precision-engineered by PWM's own skilled technicians. The die is loaded into the die pocket and held down against the spring ejector pins. The foot pedal is pressed to keep it in position, while the cover plates are slid across and the nuts are tightened. The die gap is then adjusted to suit the diameter of the wire. The operator presses the levers either side of the welding head to open the gates and inserts the ends of the material into either side of the die. Each depression of the foot pedal causes the material to be gripped and fed forward, pushing the ends together. The surface impurities are squeezed outwards from the core of the wire, forming a flash. It takes about 4 compressions to make a weld. The release lever is pulled up to free the welded wire, and the flash is removed. The resulting weld is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material.